Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriela if you're new around here. So we just moved to Orange County from San Francisco and we sold a lot of our furniture, so we don't have anything. We only have like the couch and our beds. So I'm gonna be shopping a lot and putting together my apartment. My sister is coming from Paraguay to help me too. So I kind of just wanted to show you guys how it goes. Today I got these chairs from Facebook Marketplace. I'm not really sure if I like them.
Mike and Gabby.
I was showing them these chairs first. But yeah, so those are the chairs and I'm not sure I like them. But we are gonna build the two bar stools that I bought. Also from Facebook Marketplace, but they're new and I got them at a really good price. So let's build them.
Doesn't seem.
All right, so which one are we gonna take?
No sé. Este tampoco no me convence.
These are all the stuff I grabbed for the house. I don't know, what are we gonna take? Alright, and then this for patio, para el patio. Hey,
Your donation at checkout will support our community to help local kids.
that's my purse.
Plus, Ross will match the first $400,000 raise.
There's just so many things. I love that chair so much.
Primero vamos a poner tu sofá.
¿Ah? No, primero te poner la alfombra. This is how we get rid of wrinkles.
Is it working?
I think so. So we think that the rug is too dark, so we're gonna return it. It's kind of sad. It's very cute, but it's just too dark for space. So it's going back. Hey babes, I'm doing a little project with Mike right now.
Wait, who's doing the project?
Well, okay, Mike is Mike is gonna sand the table.
Another
It's not a
sanding
table, it's like a
project.
little cabinet,
Yay.
and I'm gonna paint it in black, and it's gonna be for the living room. I really liked it. It was like a little vintage cabinet for the living room. I'm not sure if it's gonna look good or not, but I thought to give it a try. I got it on Facebook Market for only like 30 bucks, I think. So I'm excited. Alright, so I'm gonna put together the cabinet right now and see how it looks. I'm gonna bring it upstairs. Ugh, I really hope it works for our living room. It looks good so far. This is how it looks done. I'm gonna bring it upstairs and see how it looks. Hey friends, so I brought the cabinet up to the living room with Mike's help because it is vintage, so I didn't wanna try to do it by myself and break it or something. Actually, it's a little bit heavy too. So we did it last night and it's finally up here in the living room, and we were able to put all the stuff that we've been buying from like Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Walmart, and all these places we put it together in the living room and it looks really good. I really like how it looks so far. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna make some changes, but I love it so far and I wanted to show you. I also was able to finish our little outdoor area in the dining room and our kitchen. So those areas are done. So far, we have everything we needed after a month and a week that we moved. So yeah, so we are super happy that our apartment is coming together and we have furniture. We are able to sit, enjoy our meals, and also watch TV in our living room. It's just so much cozier when you have all your furnitures. It was very stressful to move and not have a lot of things because I sold pretty much everything in San Francisco. So I'm gonna show you how it looks now, and I really hope you like it, and let me know if you have some ideas because I love hearing like recommendations and ideas from you guys. So yeah, so the cabinet is there right at the entrance. There is where you enter the house, and here's our tiny little cabin. I really like the color. I really like how it came out. It was super easy. We didn't do a top coat yet. So Mike and I, we were thinking to do it because we like it so far and we think it fits our living room. That little stool, it was from our other apartment and we don't think it fits this new apartment, but we're just gonna have it there for a little bit. And our big mirror is right there, our couch, and this is the rug that we ended up liking the most. We also got a chair from Ross that we love, love, love. Mike can play the guitar there and it's right by the window. So we really like it. It was only $100. And then our coffee table is glass. We got it at Facebook Marketplace. Someone was selling it, so it is used, but we like it. We really love it. I love how the glass looks in this living room. It's a little more modern that I was like thinking, but I really like it. And then we are thinking to do like a picture right there, maybe like paint something together. Mike and I can paint something, or we're still thinking, we don't know what to do yet. And we need more light in this room, so we haven't really figured out what to hang or what lamp to add to this. I was kind of thinking to do it myself and just like hang these two baskets that I found at TJ Maxx. I'm not really sure how it's gonna look, so let me know what you think. I was like thinking to hang it right there, but I'm not sure if this style fits. Anyway, so I got two of them, actually three. The other one is in our bedroom. And then this little bar card, we think it's a little too small. I got it at Target for only like $30. So we might get like a bigger one. So far, this is what we have. What do you think? I really love like the colors. It's very clean in here. Let me see. Then we have the kitchen. We have these little stools that I also found at Facebook Marketplace. We love them. Then we have the dining room. We don't have anything on the walls yet because we're not really sure what we want to hang in there. We got the chairs. Not sure I like the color gray so much. Mike really loves these chairs, so we decided to keep them. But I might change the color of the cushions. So, and then I also need to think about what I'm gonna hang in there. This is how it looks. Then our kitchen, we added those floating shelves right there and we love them. It makes our kitchen so much cleaner and nicer. It kind of decorates it a little bit. I'm gonna show you the outdoor area. It's small, but we still wanted to like decorate it. And this is what we have. We have this like hanging lights. This cute little, I think the name is like Love Seat. And we found it on Facebook Marketplace. Then we added more plants. Then in this little corner, we have this chair that we brought from San Francisco and our baby plants. And this set from IKEA that you can make the table bigger and sit 4 people. So we really like it. The rug is from Ross. We think that we're gonna add more things in here, but for now, this is how we love it. And then our plants are like struggling to adjust to the new temperatures here because it's so much warmer than San Francisco. That's it, you guys. So my bedroom and my office are still not ready to show. My mother-in-law is actually staying in my office because it's my office and a guest room. So I can't really show you that room yet. And our bedroom is a mess. It's definitely not ready to show yet. I'm still decorating and working on getting some pieces, and hopefully I can show you that in the next video. But we are so happy to be here. We love our new home, and like I said, I love hearing suggestions and recommendations. So please tell me what you think and what do you think I should add or what do you think I should change in the room. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video and follow me on Instagram. Love you guys. Bye.